be afraid of a storm or not to be afraid of the storm? That is the question. Good coffee. Fears, audience. This is just a quick vlog about the hurricane. Yes, I survived. Yes, I'm still here. I'm glad that it passed Florida. It went from a 5 to a 2. 5 to a 2. Hey, hurricane, you can kiss my fucking ass. Anyway, check out the blog. Hey guys, what's going on? Everyone be safe through the hurricane. This is Fears' first hurricane, so I know it doesn't look like hurricane weather, but they said it's coming tonight.
Come on, that's a bunch of horse shit. What's the matter with you? Who said that?
Buckle down and drink lots of water and peanut butter and jelly sandwiches all the way. Gotta love Thrower! Hurricane update. So it is not at level 5 anymore. It is at level 2. So I think we'll be good.